welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the apple cider vinegar rinse on my Locs. So this is actually my first time trying that out. I have my Locs in now for almost 6 months. It's like creeping up on the 6th month. And the residue has pretty much been an issue since like my first retwist. I noticed it. I thought it was because I was wearing like wigs and stuff, and like maybe from the like got to be spray or like the stuff I was using on my edges. But then I noticed like it's like all throughout my head. Like I'll show you guys. It's like, oh shit. It's like, oh. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about. And I didn't notice that until I actually did my first retwist by myself. And I was like, dang, like. After I did the retwist, it's not as noticeable, but it's still like, I don't know, it'd be bothering me. It reminds me of like when you get box sprays taken out and you have that little ball of gunk on the end. That's what it reminds me of, and I cannot stand the look of it. Hopefully it's picking up what I'm talking about. When I take videos or like pictures and stuff, it doesn't show up that well. And even in my like room, the mirror in my room, it doesn't show up like that. But when I look in my bathroom mirror, it be looking rough. Like it's like my bathroom mirror be trying to tell me like, girl, I know you thought you was cute in there, but like I see it. Like it's right there. Like it's literally all over there.
Please don't touch.
You know how people say wet lace is right there, all across there.
So I'm gonna try to fix that today. I have this big red bow, and then I have the apple cider and the vinegar. I'm gonna show you the apple cider and the vinegar. I have the apple cider vinegar and I have the baking soda. So I'm gonna show you how to mix it up, and then we're just gonna dip it in and see how it goes. So fingers crossed.
Because you will get pregnant and die.
you can see that apple cider vinegar rinse did do wonders, because normally when I wash my hair with the residue, you can see it, like it's like white. Like I'll put in a clip of the last retwist I did. It's not on my channel. That video is not on my channel, but I did record it. And you like that last one, it was like globs of like just white gunky stuff along my hair. So I'm happy that all of that is gone. Let me show you guys the back. But yeah, so I mean, I would say that the apple cider vinegar rinse worked. When I first did it, it didn't really look like, you know, there is still a little bit of gunk, but it's not anywhere near as bad. And I'll show a clip so you guys know what I mean. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the full results of the ACV rinse, like after my hair dried, be on the lookout for my next video. That's actually going to be a retwist. I did it right after I did the rinse, and that one's going to be on my channel on Sunday. So if you go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss that. And please make sure to leave a like on this video if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. See you guys next time.